Hey guys, week 1 recap, and if you guys posted your pictures or videos online, we greatly appreciate that, and we have so much fun editing these videos. This video is going to be a little bit long this week because we had so much happen this past weekend, and when we come back, we'll preview this weekend's air shows. Congratulations to Tico Warbird Airshow in Titusville, Florida. You guys are my airshow pick of the week for week 1. So congratulations to you guys. You guys do such a fantastic job out there each year, and loved all the pictures and videos and all the unique things that you guys bring to your airshow that we just don't see at a lot of other air shows. So congratulations. So, all right, we're going to get started with the preview for week 2. Alright, so this weekend, which will be March 19th and 20th, first up is the LA County Airshow. You guys have the Blue Angels as your headline. You guys got wing walking. These guys got the tour, the reenactment of Pearl Harbor, a number of aerobatic performers as well. We'll look at that. Real quick here in the sky. There's admission to this website, There's admission to this air show, so make sure that you get your tickets either online or at the show. So lots of great. Skip Stewart's going to be there. You don't want to miss that. He's always good. Shockwave, that's pretty cool. You got wing walking. You got an F-86 Sabre, which will be cool. Curtis P-40's flying, P-38. Those are guys that are in the tour. Patriot Parachute Team. Chuck Coleman's going to be flying. The NASA ER-2, which is really cool, also known as the U-2. That's biplane. So those folks are going to be in the air, flying around, and the Northrop Grumman is going to be flying too. That's pretty cool. So it's the predecessor to the B-2, which is pretty unique. So I didn't see that until now. So you guys in LA County are going to have a great time this weekend. out there. Thunderbirds. You're going to be at MacDill Air Force Base in Tampa, Florida. So if you guys are in the Tampa Bay, Florida area, this is an air show you don't want to miss out on. They've got a crazy schedule. Rob Holland's going to be there. Kirby Chambliss, Michael Gulen. You guys are going to see F-18, P-51, A-4 Fly, demo team. The Geico Skytypers are also going to be there as well. So lots of stuff happening at MacDill Airfest. Use the hashtag Airfest 2016 for all your pictures and videos that you guys post on your favorite social media. Also, happening on the other side of the ocean, over in Belgium, is going to be the Bronco demo team. They fly the OV-10B, and this is going to be their 5th year. On Sunday, they will be holding a little demonstration for you folks, so be sure to go check that out if you're in Belgium. And I appreciate everybody's help and getting videos and pictures up on YouTube and all your other social media websites so that we can smash them together, and hopefully we'll be able to feature them in week 2 of recap and preview for next week. So I'll be posting each week, obviously, and we'll be bringing you some really cool stuff. Whoa, here we go. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for future videos, and share as well. And we just really appreciate all the subscribers so far, and we hope to be getting more. And that's only going to be possible because of you guys. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.